back.
you're having a good day. So, I just came back from school. And I'm going to give a countdown for you to like, follow, and share. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you did it, you're part of the family. If you did it, you're not. So, we're going to eat this. I already ate it. So, then we're going to eat this vegetable. And then we're going to drop it. And then we're going to eat this.
Basically like a roll.
So, I'm going to show you
And there's Lunchable. We're going to eat some Lunchables.
and
some pot.
my cousin. He's a boy. So.
This is my cousin. Oh my.
Hi everybody, welcome back.
This is my niece.
And this is my. Sorry. We have a light in front of us, so it keeps getting off. So what are we gonna get? I think we're gonna get started on these. I haven't tried these.
Yeah, you wanna just open them?
Yeah. Open them. How do you open these, guys?
Like this, like this way. Open.
Oh. So who wants to do the honors?
Yeah.
Guys, they're spicy. Don't try this at home.
Put some on a paper.
We're gonna do half and half, right?
Yeah. There's
Let's go. Look at that.
I don't know if I can see, but yeah.
Okay, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get it later. Yeah, you can have it.
I don't want that much. Oh, that's a lot. Dang. We're trying to make it even.
Okay, you're done. Put it on there. So this is.
Okay,
Let's try this. This is. Okay. This is my. This. I don't know if you can see it. I'm gonna flip the camera.
So we're gonna be eating these. I'm gonna go get some Capri.
So this
some
is
Capri Sun.
mine.
Yeah, I'm
And
going
this
with
is
some
hers.
Capri Sun.
So I'm at my house. Hi everybody. If y'all didn't see, I'm vlogging. I'm talking to y'all. And you see me? So guys, you saw me, right?
Sure, one Pop-Tart. Well, I ate some of it.
We're gonna eat one Pop-Tart.
We got some Kool-Aid jammer.
And then we're gonna eat a juice. And whoever eats the most wins, right?
Yep.
And you can't drink this.
Well, not the most.
We can't drink this, right?
Yeah.
We
cannot
only
drink
can drink a little bit, right?
Sorry guys about that. That's my dog.
I'm thirsty. So drink a little bit of that. I'm start eating.
Yeah, I'm thirsty too.
I'm start eating.
Okay, wait. How big of a drink did you get?
Huh?
How big of a drink?
Like a little
Never mind.
Like
I almost said something.
Like a little bit.
Good.
That's good.
Okay.
I'm sorry, can I get one again? Because you know what happened?
What?
Because I had one.
Brenna.
No, I had one.
It looks like you have more than me. Look.
I'm gonna give one to you. Gotta keep it ready. Are they ready?
Wait. Is it? Oh my god. Sorry.
Sorry, guys. I'm waiting for her. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. So ready? I'm waiting for him. I'm waiting for him. Are you ready? It was.
Okay.
I forgot your name again. What's your name?
What? Wait, sorry. Do you want the camera? I mean, do you want the light or do you?
I want. No, I don't want the knife.
Okay.
So what's your name again? I forgot your name.
My name is Jill.
Jill, my name is Brianna, if you know that, because that's my channel. And this is my first channel ever, because
My dog.
my first channel ever. Hey, dog. Okay, Alex, Joe's dog.
No, Jill.
Joe's dog is
Because
right there.
I don't spend that much time with her.
And
She doesn't really know
she's
my
a
name.
girl. She's like a little tiny, like a medium.
Yeah. Yeah, a little dog.
I'll show you
like that.
in a little bit.
Sorry.
So, ready?
Yeah.
You ready? 1, 2, 3.
Ooh, I have a cool idea. Wait. Here.
I got some liver.
Dude, you have less. I saw you put more over there. Okay, that.
You ready?
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
3. You're bad, just get. Look. They're falling.
Good.
Yep. Keep them falling. Trying to stack them to get more.
My teeth
Oh, come on, come on.
are red. My teeth are red.
You farted?
No, I didn't. She thinks I
Ew.
farted. She always farts. He always farts.
I'm going. I won.
She won, guys. Why did I say she if she's not a girl? She's a.
Okay, we have to wait like a minute. No, like 30 seconds just to drink it. And it's gonna be hard for her because she's not used to spicy stuff.
Only a little bit.
Yeah.
Let's
We're
do
8
it.
minutes. 8 minutes and 40 something seconds. 50, 53, 53, 55, 55, 57. Wow. 9 minutes. 9 minutes. Okay, let's go.
Ready?
No, wait. No. It's only past 20 seconds, so you just lost.
I couldn't hold it.
Come on. 20. Guys, she's still drinking. We still need to save some for, how do you call it? The Lunchables. Yeah,
Okay.
put them down.
So what do you want to do? I'm gonna do the lunchable.
Okay. Move this.
So just do this,
Yeah.
and then flip it over, right? So it can be. Guys, can you see my thumb right now?
It wasn't that spicy, but that was the last bag.
It was spicy a little.
A little. is 10.
Next time I'm gonna open this
10,
lunchable.
3, 7, 5. 9, 8, 12, 11, 12, 13,
So guys,
14,
2 Oreos,
14.
right?
17.
And 2 Oreos for me and hers.
Yeah, 2 Oreos. Sorry for taking the food.
And 2.
Can you go over there, please? Natalie, go over there. She's looking for stuff to eat off the floor.
I might have dropped a Cheeto.
Hmm?
I might have dropped a Cheeto.
Hmm?
I might have dropped a Cheeto.
You cheated.
I did.
Okay, so let's
So-
see how many there are. 3, 4, 5. So 5. She gets 3. I get 2. So how many cheeses are there? There's 6. Why do we need 6 if there's only 5?
Okay, let's. So guys, let's organize these.
Or did you eat a cracker?
Oh no, I eat a cracker. I didn't eat.
Oh,
my god.
okay. So I get 3.
Okay.
I'm sorry, guys. 3 for her and 3 for me. You're weird.
And then time for these. So, 1 for you. 1 for
The ham is gonna try.
me. 1 for you. 1 for me.
Oh my god. Okay. And 3. You got 3. I got 2. This is mine. Okay, so we got ours.
Yeah.
Looks like
now
it's 2, but it's actually 3. And for her, it's just 3, 2. But I can't. I don't
So
want
we're
to
gonna get started on 3, 2, 1.
1. You want to eat it slow or fast?
Slow.
Okay.
Because you know what happens when we eat fast?
I'm gonna choke.
You vomit it or choke.
Yeah, because of the cheese, you have to eat it slow because we just ate a little bag of.
If you don't know, whoever eats the most, whoever,
Those flavor shots.
guys, if you don't know,
They're pretty
whoever eats all of it wins, right?
Or what?
No, the Lunchable. Alright?
She never eats all of it.
Mm-hmm. I don't succeed.
You know what Lunchables remind me of?
What?
Field trips.
Oh, yeah.
But I'm already in 6th grade. I'm about to go to 6th grade.
She's in 5th grade. I mean, he's in 5th grade. And I'm in 2nd grade, right? I'm about to be in 3rd grade.
We should have saved. We should have saved some to eat with them.
Yeah. Yeah. That would be so disgusting.
No, it won't. I'm gonna give some hand to my dog. Oh wait. He's just watching us eat.
We're almost done, right? But we're wins, right?
We still need the Pop-Tarts and the roll.
Thing.
Yeah, I don't know what.
I ate half of it, and she ate
The
half
roll
of
up.
it. She eats half of it, and I eat half of it, right?
My last one. This time I'm gonna do the cheese first.
And
then
no,
the
no. She was the last one trying to.
You already ate your cracker? Where'd your cracker go?
I ate it.
Why? You forgot the cheese and the ham.
I know.
And the ham and cheese. Oh. That's pretty good backwards too. She wants one.
Boom.
Trying to give her some not to, so she won't bark.
You know I'm shaking because I want to win.
I only have this. Hurry up. Which one's mine?
I think this one's mine.
Yeah. 2 sips there. Okay. Oh, I forgot the Oreo. Pretty good.
I love them.
Pause. Oh, no, mind. You can't pause this.
It's good. Look.
No! God. I didn't know she was there.
Guys, please subscribe and tell us even the comes up.
Yeah. Now it's time to eat pucker. Just one. I'm gonna share.
Who
Okay.
won that last? The other one. The one that
Me.
No, I did.
No.
I did it.
I finished the Oreo first.
I finished the Oreo first.
No. Look, you saw it, look around.
That doesn't count.
Yes, it does. It's still.
Doesn't count.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, which one? The one. So guys, see you guys next time. I hope you